Top 10 tips to get rich. 1. Add value. Something many self-made wealthy people have in common is that they are valuable in specific way. Adding value to yourself is a good foundation to begin your journey to being rich. 2. Tax yourself. The concept of saving money is not a new. However, it is extremely easy to dip into your savings when you want something badly enough. 3. Create a plan and follow it. Things like budgets and timelines, as well as a plan of what to do at every step of the way to success. 4. Invest. The core principle behind investing is that you end up making more money than you spent. 5. Start a business. This is much easier said than done, but the last 4 steps lay the groundwork to be able to start your own business. 6. Be grateful. Becoming rich does not only require external factors to fall into place. Many personality factors have to align for you to succeed at whatever venture you've started. 7. Develop patience. Another important personality trait to being successful and rich is patience. Nothing big is accomplished overnight, and you cannot and will not get rich in a matter of days. Subscribe. 8. Educate yourself. It is key to try and educate yourself, not only in your chosen field, but also in the ways of the world. 9. Take calculated risks. There is no money made without a risk taken. Whether it's starting a business or investing in stocks, every avenue to making money requires some risk. 10. Give back. It is important to give back to the community. This leads back to the first point about adding value to the world around you. If you earn some money, give some back to a cause you believe in. This way you are adding value to the world after having added value to yourself.